What's up, guys? My name is William Shaw. I'm a drummer in a band called The Fire We Breathe. We're an all-original rock band out of Atlanta, Georgia. And I am here to share my experience and testimony on the Collision Drumsticks. My weapon of choice is the 5A Stealth Series. And the reason that I love these sticks so much is because I'm a heavy-handed rock drummer. I chew through sticks like there's no tomorrow. I've always played with 5Bs because they were thicker, heavier, and could last a little bit longer. But since encountering Collision, the durability of these sticks is phenomenal. I'm able to play with the 5As. They last, they sound great, they respond really well off of the drum heads, and they're very balanced. They're also a little bit longer, and they come in black, which I love. So for me, Collision 5A Stealth Series Drumsticks are my personal favorite, and I love playing with them. So what I'm going to do for you guys today is a song that's very dear to my heart that I wrote about 15 years ago with my brother, who is no longer with us. We decided to bring this song back to life and in his memory, and it's a lot of fun to play. It's a good rock song, and I hope you guys enjoy it. So without further ado, here's Follow Me by The Fire We Breathe.
Keeping you warm.